Hey, welcome back, guys. So today we are talking about Bitcoin, and more specifically, we are talking about can you buy Bitcoin with a credit card on Cash App? So let's go ahead and talk about this. So first off, I'm going to open up the Cash App. It's this green one right here. If you don't have the app already, be sure to check the description. I'm going to go ahead and leave my referral link there, or you can easily download it on the App Store or Google Play. So I'm going to go ahead and open it now. All right, so here we are in the Cash App, and I'm going to show you how you can buy Bitcoin with a credit card or using a credit card account. So first off, when you're setting up your Cash App, you do have to associate a credit card or a bank account with your Cash App in order to purchase Bitcoin. And how do you do that? Let's go ahead and go through those steps. So the first step is you want to click here on the Settings tab, which is here on the top left, this little circle icon. You might have your picture there. I don't, so I just have this little circle icon. Alright, so here we are in the Cash App, and what you want to do to add a credit card first off is scroll down a little bit further, right here where it says funds. So as you can see, you can either associate a bank account or a credit card. So there's a couple of things you want to consider. If you're going to be using your bank account to buy Bitcoin, with Cash App, the nice thing is there's no fee to transfer money from your bank account to your Cash App. However, if you want to use a credit card, they do charge 3% to transfer the money from your credit card to your Cash App. So as you can see, that can get pretty expensive and quite spendy. In addition, you do want to contact your credit card company to see if they charge you any kind of cash transaction fees to switch money from your credit card into Cash App, because if they do, you may get a cash transaction fee, and you also might get a higher interest rate on that money that you borrow. So just be aware of that. So in order to add a credit card to your Cash App to buy Bitcoin, what you want to do is click right here, add a credit card. Once you're in this screen, as you can see, it gives you a warning that any major credit card you can use, but they do charge 3%. So it's pretty easy to add the credit card in. I'm not going to add my credit card because I don't see a purpose to add the 3% to purchase Bitcoin. If you do, that's fine. Maybe you get some sort of points or rewards with your credit card, but it's pretty easy. You just go through these prompts, add the credit card number, click add card. It's going to verify a little bit more information, and then boom, you have your credit card associated with your Cash App. So once you have your credit card associated with your Cash App, you can go in and purchase Bitcoin. And how do you do that? Let's go back to the main screen. Alright, so here we are on the home screen for Cash App. In order to purchase Bitcoin, once you have your credit card associated with it, what you want to do is click right here on this top center button. Alright, so once you're in this screen here, then you want to click on Bitcoin. And then right here in Bitcoin, now you can see on the bottom right, buy and sell. So if you want to buy Bitcoin with credit card, now you set that up. So all you do is click through buy. And then now you can purchase Bitcoin here on this portion. You just slide this to the amount that you want to purchase, and then you'll click buy. Now, keep in mind that with the credit card, again, because you're transferring that money, you're going to lose 3% right out the gate. Another thing you want to consider is that Bitcoin price fluctuates quite often. I was working on a video just yesterday, and the Bitcoin price was $8,000. But as you can see here on the Cash App chart for Bitcoin, it's gone down to $7,600. And that's just in one day. Once again, it is a very volatile currency to be trading. Let me go back to the home screen now. All right, now we're back on the home screen, and I'm going to show you a different area of the app that you can buy Bitcoin with your credit card. It's basically going to bring you to the same screen, but just a different way to get there. All you do is click back on this settings tab that we went to earlier. And then right here, as you can see, the settings tab has funds right here and then Bitcoin. So what you want to do is go ahead and click on Bitcoin if you're going to buy it with your credit card. And it brings you to a different screen. So you can see my balance right here. I have $4.70 worth of Bitcoin, but we're not going to pay attention to that. We're going to go ahead and look at the buy section. So here is buy. And again, as long as your credit card is associated and that is your primary purchasing fund, then you can buy Bitcoin with your credit card. Same thing as the last screen. All you want to do is click buy. Once you're here, it does not have the slider button to purchase Bitcoin, but you can easily enter the amount of Bitcoin you want to buy with your credit card, and then you just follow the prompts after that. Buy, confirm, then the Bitcoin are yours. All right, so there you have it. Hopefully that answers your question. Can you buy Bitcoin with a credit card? Yes, with the Cash App you can. So if you have a better way of purchasing Bitcoin, or if you have a better explanation of what Bitcoin is, be sure to leave us a comment below. Let the rest of us know. And I hope you liked the video, and I hope to see you on the next video. Thanks for watching.